In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts and graphs to your Wix website. Incorporating visual data can bring your site to life, helping to communicate important information in a clear and engaging way. Let's walk through the must process step by step, ensuring you have all the guidance you need to make your website both informative and visually appealing. First, we'll start by accessing your Wix website editor. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account, then head straight over to the editor interface. This is the place where you can make all the creative decisions and change the way your website looks and feels. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find an option labeled Add Apps. Click on this option to begin the process of enhancing your site with new features. The Wix App Market is your gateway to literally hundreds of applications that can add impressive functionality to your website. In the search bar, type in Common Ninja Charts and Graphs. As you type, you'll notice a variety of suggestions appearing. Just ensure that you specifically select Common Ninja Charts and Graphs from the list. This app will provide you with versatile charting options to display your data effectively. Next, click on the Common Ninja Charts and Graphs app. You'll be taken to a page where you can learn more about the app's features and capabilities. When you're ready to proceed, click on Add to Site. This action doesn't immediately make changes to your website. Rather, it prepares the app for installation. After that, you'll need to agree to the app's terms of service. Look for a button that says Agree and Add. By clicking this, you indicate that you understand and accept the app's terms, thereby allowing it to integrate with your site. Now that the app is added, you'll see a Settings option. Click on Settings to configure how the app will behave within your website. This is where you can customize various aspects to better align with your website's overall style and functionality. Once in the settings, you'll need to proceed to your app's dashboard. Do this by clicking on Go to Dashboard. This will open up a new interface where you can manage and create your charts and graphs. Finally, click on Create within the dashboard to begin crafting your first chart. Here you have a wide range of tools and options to build insightful and interactive visualizations that best represent your data needs. Explore various chart types and customize them to match your website's theme. And there you have it. You've successfully added charts and graphs to your Wix site, effectively enhancing its visual appeal and the clarity of your information. Enjoy exploring all the features this tool offers, and watch as your website captivates and informs your audience with compelling data visuals.